enter your mobile number for sign-up and then your OTP. Then enter your email ID and brand ID, then enter OTP received on email. Select your trading preference and press Next. Enter your PAN and date of birth and then press Submit. Enter your Aadhaar number and press Next. Enter the OTP received on SMS for Aadhaar number verification and press Submit. Enter your security PIN. Enter your father's name, mother's name, gender, marital status, education, annual income, trading experience in years, political exposure, occupation. Click Yes in the rest options. And select how you want to receive the annual report. Enter your bank details, such as IFSC code, MICR, account number, bank address, and account type. Upload your bank proof in the form of passbook or any other thing and enter its password. Then make your digital signature. Then open your location and allow camera for verification and capture a clear picture of yours. Enter your Aadhaar and its OTP, and then it is complete.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.